Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. And today it's Sunday, and happy Sunday to all of you. Friends, this is day 7 of making video, and as all you know, I am learning, practicing, and speaking English language in front of camera. That's why I am here. So friends, look at here breakfast time, and I cooked breakfast mung beans. Mung beans, what I'm say, mung beans usad and poha chiuda. And now I'm having breakfast. And also we we are having breakfast together. And here we sat on the living room and watching today's news. Hi everyone, how are you all? But I'm not well. It's evening time, and it's around 5 o'clock, and I am on the roof because it's very cold inside my house. That's why I am on the roof, and I'm warming myself from sunlights. And look at here guys, the sun has not yet set, so I use it sun rays. Friends, I'm not feel well because I have a cold, I have a sniffy nose, and I have also a little bit fever. So friends, but uh, but I can make video. Friends, one thing I tell you, this afternoon I slept 1 o'clock, and but I could not sleep very well. I could not sleep very soundly because one thought came to my mind and speak with me. Wake up Madhuri, you want to make video, wake up. That's why I cannot sleep. That's why I could not sleep very well. And I have headache also, friends. So friends, the time that has passed never come back. That's why this thought came to my mind and speak with me. Wake up, you can do it. And speak every day, because we because I'm speaking every day, so I build confidence to making video in English language. That's why. So how do make tea? I explain in English language because some little things makes me perfect. That's why I'm trying to speak in English. So first of all, I take a pot and pour some milk and water also, and add ingredients, sugar, tea, and also ginger. And you want to also add tea masala, and turn on the gas, and place this pot on the stove, and um, and let the tea 5 minutes cooked, and the tea is ready. That's it guys, see you soon, bye.